Hartley Nature Center for the Luminary, Solstice Luminary walk at night. -2 degrees, but they line up the trails with candles, so it's a little short hike. I'm here with my family, so it's Hartley Nature Center, Solstice Luminary walk. This is the Hartley Nature Center. That's indoor. They got hot cocoa in there. Let's go check it out. Hartley Nature Center. Sorry. Watch out for the big holes. Watch out for the big holes that people stepped through earlier in the week. Break an ankle. I think everybody can see all of them. The lights, candles lighting up the whole path. So this is marking the first day of winter solstice. You can see the lights back there. I think you guys can see most of that stuff. Pretty cool. So Hartley Nature Center in the whole park area. It's they got a bunch of multi-use trails, mountain biking, cross-country skiing, hiking. The Superior Hiking Trail goes through here. They have a pond that you can fish in, and then they also have a nature center, interpretive center. Pretty cool area. If you're in the Duluth area, stop by, especially if you like the outdoors. Actually, we're crossing a trout stream. Brook trout stream. Sammy's Pizza. I think you can see it right there in the snow. Sammy's Pizza. Man, this place got good pizza.